Get ready for an incredible journey. In today's video, we're talking about the 5 best 1/24th mini RC crawlers of 2025. After an extensive search across multiple websites, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best price, top performance, or a crawler for a specific purpose, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The AX24 Power Wagon 1/24th is a compact yet highly capable RC crawler, designed for enthusiasts who want real off-road performance in a small-scale package. It features a hard plastic body shell with beautifully applied paint, available in red, yellow, or blue, and includes personalized story-themed stickers so you can customize your vehicle your way. One of its biggest highlights is the 2-speed transmission, controlled directly from the transmitter using CH3. In high-speed mode, the truck reaches up to 8 kilometers per hour, perfect for quick bursts, small jumps, and more dynamic driving. In low gear, it delivers the torque and precision needed for technical crawling. Advanced users can also install optional differentials for improved high-speed cornering. The AX24 comes fully equipped with 24 pre-installed ball bearings, ensuring smooth operation and long-term durability with no need for immediate upgrades. It also features portal axles with metal gears, increasing ground clearance and boosting performance over rocks and uneven terrain. Maintenance is fast and simple thanks to the quick-release body system. Just press 2 buttons to separate the body from the chassis, making adjustments and battery changes much easier. Robust, customizable, and incredibly fun to drive, the AX24 Power Wagon is the perfect choice for both beginners and experienced RC hobbyists who want power, technology, and realism in a portable crawler. Number 4. The Axial AX24 Basecamp 1/24th rock crawler delivers big performance in a small, ready-to-run package, perfect for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Straight out of the box, it comes fully assembled with a factory-finished truck body that captures rugged, realistic scale styling. The durable body also features a hinged access system, allowing you to open it easily without needing body clips, making battery changes and maintenance faster than ever. Powered by a reliable brushed motor, the AX24 Basecamp offers smooth, controlled crawling performance on rocks, trails, and indoor obstacles. Its 4x4 drivetrain provides solid traction across uneven terrain, while the compact chassis keeps it stable and responsive. The included Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio system ensures precise control with excellent range and interference-free operation. Axial also includes a Spectrum 350 mAh LiPo battery and a USB charger, giving you everything you need to hit the trail immediately. No additional purchases required. Compact, durable, and incredibly fun, the Axial AX24 Basecamp is the ideal mini crawler for exploring anywhere. Your backyard, your living room, or your favorite outdoor trail. Number 3. The Axial AX24 Deadbolt 1/24th rock crawler is a compact, ready-to-run machine built for real off-road fun anywhere, indoors or outdoors. It features the classic Deadbolt body design, complete with a rugged roll cage, driver figure, and bold scale details that give it a tough, adventure-ready look right out of the box. Powered by a dependable brushed motor and equipped with full-time 4-wheel drive, the AX24 Deadbolt delivers impressive climbing ability and smooth control on rocks, dirt, or makeshift indoor courses. Its multi-link suspension, coilover shocks, and high-clearance chassis let it tackle uneven terrain with confidence. Even at microscale, the model comes with a 2.4 GHz radio system, a LiPo battery, and a USB charger, making it truly ready to run. Just charge up and start crawling. Durable axles, steel frame rails, and realistic off-road tires give it the strength and traction to handle challenging obstacles while staying agile and responsive. Compact, capable, and packed with scale personality, the Axial AX24 Deadbolt is the perfect mini crawler for beginners and seasoned hobbyists who want big performance in a small, go-anywhere package. Number 2. The FMS FCX24 M Land Rover Series 1/24 RC crawler brings legendary off-road heritage to the palm of your hand, combining authentic Land Rover styling with advanced RC engineering. Officially licensed, the lineup includes the Range Rover, Defender D90, Defender D110, and Discovery, each crafted with a durable ABS hard plastic body that captures the iconic look and rugged character of the real vehicles. Underneath the scale body sits the new FCX24M chassis, featuring a strong non-load-bearing metal ladder frame for superior stability and realistic handling. The reverse drive system delivers smooth, composed driving dynamics, while the large diameter tires boost ground clearance for excellent climbing performance on rocks, trails, and uneven terrain. To enhance versatility, the FCX24M comes equipped with a 2-speed transmission, letting you switch effortlessly between slow, precise crawling and faster off-road exploration, doubling the fun across multiple driving styles and environments. Each model is light system ready, with pre-drilled locations for headlights, taillights, and roof-mounted spotlights. Powered by a 050 motor and a 380 mAh 2 SLIPO battery, the crawler delivers up to 30 minutes of exciting runtime. For added realism, every Land Rover version includes a roof rack, and players can further customize their vehicle with a wide range of optional scale accessories to create a truly personalized adventure rig compact, powerful, and packed with detail. The FMS FCX24M Land Rover Series is perfect for collectors, scale enthusiasts, and adult RC hobbyists who want premium performance wrapped in iconic Land Rover design. Number 1. The Axial AX24 XC 1/124 4WS crawler brings next-level capability to the micro-crawler world with advanced steering technology and rugged axial engineering. This ready-to-run crawler comes fully assembled and equipped, so you can hit the trail almost immediately. Its standout feature is the 3 selectable 4-wheel steering modes, giving drivers powerful new ways to attack obstacles. Whether you need tight turns, precise crab steering, or full 4WS articulation, the AX24 adapts instantly, making terrain that once seemed impossible feel easy. The crawler uses a side plate chassis that provides exceptional suspension articulation, allowing each wheel to move freely as it climbs over rocks, roots, and rough terrain. Paired with Rockster wheels and Rock Lizards tires, the AX24 delivers impressive traction and stability on demanding surfaces. For low-light adventures, the AX24 includes LED rock lights mounted in the rock sliders, illuminating the ground beneath the vehicle so you can confidently crawl day or night. Compact, capable, and packed with features normally found in larger crawlers, the Axial AX24 XC1 is the perfect mini machine for drivers who want maximum control, extreme maneuverability, and out-of-the-box performance in any environment. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.